Good morning to all. Today we are discuss about 4-point starter. Introduction. The 4-point starter, like in the case of 3-point starter, also act as a protective device that helps in safeguarding the armature of the shunt or compound excited DC motor against the high starting current produced in the absence of back EMF at starting. The 4-point starter has a lot of constructional and functional similarity to a 3-point starter, but this is special device has an additional point and a coil in its construction, which is naturally through the basic operational characteristics remains the same. Now to go into the details of operation of 4-point starter, let's have a look at its constructional diagram and figures out of its point of difference with the 3-point starter. 4 terminals of 4-point starter. A 4-point starter, as the name suggested, has a 4 main operational points, namely L line terminal connected to a positive supply, A armature terminal connected to the armature winding, F field terminal connected to the field winding. Like in the case of 3-point starter, and in addition to it there is fourth a point N connected to the no voltage coil. The basic diagram of 4-point starter. First of all, input supply and next overload release and spring starter handle, then soft iron piece and starting resistance, and also the no volt coil. No volt coils are connected to the neutral and parallel to the shunt field. Then armature resistance are connected to the armature. Construction. The remarkable difference in the case of a 4-point starter is that of no volt coil is connected independently across the supply through the fourth terminal called N, in addition to the L, F and A, as a direct consequence of that of any change in the field supply current does not bring about any difference in the performance of the no volt coil. Thus, it must be ensured that of no voltage coil always produced force which is strong enough to hold the handle in its run position against force of the spring under all the operational conditions. Such a current is adjusted through no voltage coil with the help of fixed resistance are connected in series with the no volt coil using fourth point N as shown in figure. Apart from this above mentioned fact, the 4-point and 3-point starters are similar in all other ways, like possessing is a variable resistance integrated into the number of sections. The contact points of these sections are called studs and are shown separately as of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Run over which is handled free to be manually to regulate the starting current with gathering a speed. Operation. Considering that supply is given and the handle is taken, stud number 1, the circuit. The circuit is complete and line current the start flowing through the starter. In this situation, we can see that current will be divided into 3 parts following 3 different points. One part flow through the starting resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3 and then to the armature. A second part flowing through the field winding F and a third part of flowing through the no voltage coil in series with the protective resistance R. So that the point to be noted here is that with the particular arrangement, any change in the shunt field circuit does not bring about any change in the no volt coil, as the two circuits are independent of each other. This essentially means that electromagnet pull subject soft iron bar of the handle by the no voltage coil at all points of time should be high enough to keep the handle at its run position, or rather prevent the spring force from restoring the handle as it is original off position, irrespective of how the field rheostat is adjusted. This marks the operational difference between 4-point starter and a 3-point starter, as otherwise both are almost similar and are for limiting starting current to shunt wound DC motor or compound wound DC motor, and thus act as a protective device. A starter is a device that initiate and accelerate the motor. A controller is a device start control speed, reverse stop and protective the motor. The motor's armature current is given by Ia is equal to V minus E divided by Ra. Ia is equal to starting current. Starting armature current is equal to V minus 0 divided by Ra. Thus, the armature current Ia depends upon and E and Ra if V is kept constant. When switch on the motor, armature stationary, so back EMF will be 0. The starting current IAS is given by 3-point starter. When we have to start DC connected motor, the lever turns gradually to right. When the lever touches the point 1, the field winding gets directly connected across the supply. The 3 terminals of 3-point starter. A 3-point starter, as the name suggested, 3 mainly points, namely first point line terminal connected positive supply, second point a terminal connected to the armature winding, F is the field terminal connected to the field winding. This is a structure of 3-point starter. A input positive to OLC overload coil. The next off and stud resistance are added. The next run position, another one is that means no volt coil seriously connected to the field winding. Then armature resistance are connected to the armature. Simple high resistance steps which comes in series with the armature F machine and control the current. The figure shows the 3-point shunt motor. For starting the motor, the handle H is moved manually, and when it's moved to contact with the resistance stud 1 is a start position. In this position, field winding receives a full supply voltage and the armature current reduced graduated resistance R1, R2, R3 and R4. Starter handle gradually moved from stand to stand until it's leave the run position. In run position, motor attains full speed, resistance is completely cut off, and the supply is directly connected across both the winding. No volt coil is connected in series with the field winding of the motor. When the supply voltage falls below particular value, no volt coil is and the handle is pulled back to the off position. It is also protected against the open circuit of the field winding. The no volt coil is called no volt or under voltage protection of the motor. When armature current exceeds the normal rated value, P is attracted by the electromagnet overload coil and close the contact which short circuit no volt coil. This result release of handle H, which return to off position and motor. Supply is cut off. To increase the speed of the motor, the field resistance should be increased. Is reduced the current shunt field. A very low field current could not hold the switch and handle will achieve the off position. To overcome To overcome this difficulty, 4-point starter is used. Two terminal of 2-point starter. 2-point starter name suggested has two main operational points, namely first point line terminal connected positive supply, the armature terminal connected to the armature winding. Simple high resistance steps comes in series armature machine, and the figure shows the 2-point starter starting motor. The handle is moved. It moves the to contact with the resistance stud 1 and start position. In this position, field winding receive full supply. Armature current is reduced gradually. Resistance R1, R2, R3. And the armature current is reduced by graduated resistance R1, R2, R3 and R4. Starter gradually moved from the stand to stand until leaves the run position. In run position, motor attains a full speed resistance completely cut off and the supply directly connected both the winding. No volt coil is connected series with the field winding and the motor. When the supply voltage falls below the particular no volt coil handle, pull back to the off position. It is also protected against the open circuit of the field winding. The no volt coil is called no volt under the voltage of the protection voltage of the motor. The 2-point starter schematic diagram. So first of all, positive to soft ion to off position, then starting resistance are connected to the no volt coil. The no volt coil seriously connected to the series field winding and also connected to the armature. Thank you.